You guys, day 21 is about to come to a close. It is past 7 o'clock, so I've been in bed pretty much all day. I've worked from my bed, but as you can see, I'm not like drained or like tied down. I've had about 3 coconuts today. I had to literally force myself to drink 50% of my Crystal Geyser gallon. It's like still at the point of like, it makes me like, ugh. And I love the taste of water. Other than that, I felt really good today. I got to talk to one of my best friends for a really long time. I worked. Actually, I guess I talked to a couple people today, which has not really been happening on this fast. But this month is like a lot of people's birthdays, so I think that has something to do with it too. One of my best friends and her daughters. So I've been getting a lot of compliments on my skin, but I did get 2 cystic, I think you can see it, 2 cystic bumps on my jaw area, which they kind of hurt. So I was like kind of bummed about that. I'm like, what's up? We too damn far in this fast for that. But other than that, like my skin has been very nice, very glowy in my opinion. My breath is not bad at all. Like even without brushing my teeth, it's not like harsh. Like sometimes I forget that I didn't brush my teeth because it doesn't bother me at all. I would say it's pretty normal. Like I don't have a super pink tongue. So I would say color-wise, it looks like it's norm. No bowel movements today, but I did last night. I don't know if I said that. Oh, my sense of smell is so crazy. Like I smell everything, and that's like a good and a bad thing. So it's very heightened. I think that's also probably why the water doesn't taste that good to me either, because I think my sense of taste is also very heightened because the coconut water, it be hitting on like a different level. So I think that's definitely something that's happening. I've just been really happy, and like, not that I'm not ever happy, but like I've been very happy and just like so excited like for like days to come, and not even just like the fast, but like just days to come in general. I've been having very weird cravings. So the last 3 days, I think I said this in a past video. If I didn't, I'll say it now. I've been craving like turkey sandwiches. Like I think I did say this, but it's kind of trickled in today as well. I think it's like something about the carbs, like, which is crazy because I normally don't really eat carbs, but I've been thinking about carbs. What else can I say? I've been watching so many cooking videos. Like literally, I would say that I've been on YouTube more than I ever have in my life. Just watching people make recipe videos, and I mean recipes that I know I'll never make. Like stuff that I know I'm never gonna eat again. But I just been watching them and somewhat mentally getting satisfied by some of them. So I spend the bulk of my time doing that when I'm done with work. I feel like my skin has been very supple, and I always get compliments on my skin being soft or whatever, but like it just feels like very like, I don't even know, like supple, you know? One of the days I actually did not put glycerin on my body or shea butter, and like I didn't wake up ashy or anything. I was like, okay, skin. So yeah, I feel like maybe that's from like hydration. I don't know. But my lips aren't chapped or dry. I think yesterday they were probably like the driest they've been. And like it was not an extreme case at all. Like once I brushed my teeth and put chapstick on, I was fine. But I think like yesterday and the day before, I just was not drinking enough fluids. And yeah, it showed. So I still haven't, as these last few days have been taking my vitamins again, just because my senses are wild right now, and like I just taste everything, and it's just a lot for me. So I'll start taking my vitamins again, hopefully maybe in a couple days, or once the fast kind of ends, since we're kind of coming to its close, which is crazy. Tomorrow will be day 22, And that just seems so wild to me that I've even gotten this far. I've had a great support system. My sister has been amazing bringing me coconuts and stuff. I've had great, the people that I do talk to, it's not many throughout this fast, but they've been very supportive. My dad left me hanging. I think I said that yesterday. He was supposed to start yesterday, but it's whatever. I'm just going, and I'm just gonna finish strong, even though like reading the journals, I feel like so many people had so many die-off symptoms and reactions at this day, and then there's me like, oh, life is great and whatever. The only thing that's been kind of annoying, no, it has been annoying, is my underarms. Like, I can't be out in these streets like this with my underarms smelling like this. But I know, I know when I go back to like my norm or whatever that I'll stop. So I know like my body's releasing, sadly, through my underarms. But as far as like breath and any other places, like I have no body odor. It's just literally the underarms. And it's not like repulsive, but it's like enough where it's like, okay, I wake up around like 7, 8 in the morning. By like noon, I'm like, okay, I should probably just go shower. And sometimes I try to like, you know, push it off a little bit because I'm just scared that like if I take a shower too early before I go to sleep, they'll start smelling and then I'll be disgusted. So I kind of push to take my shower between like 2 and like 6 o'clock. Yeah, I think that's all my updates. I'm super excited for this to end because I have so many things that I want to eat, so many things that I want to make, and yeah, I think I'm done for the day, guys. I think I am. Maybe tomorrow I'll show you what my fridge looks like with all my cocos in it. But whew, the money I've been spending on fresh coconuts is definitely adding up. I think I spent more on coconuts than I would in a month of groceries because them coconuts, those white ones, they not cheap, you know? And it sounds real good when you're like, oh, $4, $6 a day. But then when you start adding it up, it's like, whoa, how did we get to $100 for this fast? To me, the brown coconuts just aren't worth it because there's just not nearly as much water in them. So it's like, yeah, I paid $1.50 or $2 for it, but it's like, it's not enough. Like I need 2 cups of coconut water per coconut. But yeah, I think that's pretty much all my updates, but I really am really excited for this to end, and just kind of really excited to see like what my outlook on everything is after this fast too, like especially when it comes to food and like all these things. I'm excited, but I'm still very much so living presently, so deuces. Hi guys, it is day 22. I just got out the shower. I did another facial today. Today was kind of more a slower paced day. I got a lot done as far as like, you know, work wise. But like my energy was just really low today. I felt like the energy around me is very like stagnant, and like the day just kind of dragged. I think it's 7 o'clock right now. I feel like my stomach just feels empty. I chugged like half of my gallon. So far, I think I've drunk 2.5 coconuts. So I have half of another one upstairs. I'm trying to like save that for like the very last second of the day that I'm up. Only because today I feel like I needed a lot more coconut water than regular water, like to function. I read some journals today. A lot of the journals for 30 days seem to always stop at 20 through 22 days. So I only found 2 that did 22 days. And like, to be honest, reading both of them, I was just really confused with what they were trying to say. They were just kind of like far out where it's like, I don't even know what's happening. So it didn't really help me. But what I took away from it was that our body kind of detoxifies itself in waves, because in no shape or form do I feel bad. I just feel like run down, like I needed to sleep all day. And then last night, I had some serious hunger pains. Like I was watching all these cooking videos, like for inspiration. I even went shopping. I got a couple things for my kitchen, like a new mixer, a new pitcher, and just all types of things, right? I was just getting all types of inspiration, but at the same time, I actually for once was like, dang, I'm hungry. Like, but it wasn't like a real hunger. It was just kind of just like, I'm seeing all this bomb stuff. I can't wait to have food. So I had to go upstairs and crack a whole nother coconut and drink that because my stomach was not messing with me. And right now, I've just been trying to focus on, not getting under 48 ounces of water. Like, I looked it up and it says on the water fast, like, women shouldn't drink less than 48 ounces. And it said, I believe the average was 48 ounces for females. And I believe for males, it was like 55 ounces of water on a water fast per day. But I've kind of consistently been surpassing that amount in spring water and coconut water combined. So I don't necessarily feel like I'm dehydrating myself. But I am kind of getting to the point where it's like, I just want it to be over. Like, I'm counting the days numerous times a day. But today I just feel kind of run down, but not sick in any way. Like, the journals that I did see for like 21, day 21, day 22, like people were having like flu-like symptoms or like aches, stuff like that. I don't. And again, I feel like that's why you should transition into a fast because I eat very healthy and very clean. So I don't feel I have those die-off symptoms as bad as other people do. Mine more so was like odor stuff, like my underarms. I have to put deodorant on now. My breath doesn't even like taste foul. Like I like totally forgot all day to brush my teeth because I hadn't even realized that I didn't. Like I don't have morning breath or like it's nothing that's foul. So it's like I'm thankful for my experience in that sense, but I feel like that's the main reason why you should kind of build yourself to this fast. Like you should be eating very healthy before you do any type of fast so that your die-off symptoms aren't as crazy, you know? But other than that, I'm just wanting this day to come to an end, and I really hate saying that. Like, I hate feeling like I want a day to end, you know? Because, like, every minute we shouldn't take for granted, and I get that. It's just, I just want to wake up and it be another day closer to when this fast ends. Like, that's literally how I feel. Yeah, so I think that's about it, y'all. I don't really have any updates. My tongue is pretty normal. I'm still having to wear deodorant. I had the sensation to go number 2 TMI moment, but then when I went in the bathroom, it went away. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm probably just going to lay here. I might go to sleep early, I don't know, but I'm definitely going to start turning on some cooking videos because I really feel like those have helped me get through. And I might even go sip some coconut water after this too. Tomorrow will be like the first day that I actually leave my house in like the last week or so. So I'm gonna go get some more coconuts myself. My sister has been great at bringing them, but I kind of want to like get some fresh air. So tomorrow I'm gonna get some more cocos and I'll let you know how it goes. Deuces.